Welcome back, friends. It's me, Adrian, your favorite AI-obsessed YouTube host and the only person who can make neural networks sound sexy. Tonight, we're diving into the wild world of Kling AI, the tool that's turning your boring text into visual masterpieces faster than you can say AI apocalypse. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adrian, why should I trust your opinion on AI tools? Aren't you just a pretty face with incredibly exceptional hair? Well, I'll have you know that I've spent more time with AI than I have with actual humans, in the hopes they'll decide that I'm the one human that might be worth keeping. Let's start with the burning questions on everyone's minds. Can Kling AI actually turn my nonsense ramblings into stunning visuals? Is it worth my precious time and non-existent money? And will it finally make my ex jealous of my Instagram feed? Spoiler alert, the answer to that last one is a resounding maybe? But let's focus on the first two, shall we? Now, friends, before we dive in, I need you to do something for me. It's a little embarrassing, but I'm going to ask anyway. You see that like button down there? It's feeling a little bit lonely. Give it just a little caress, maybe whisper sweet nothings to it. And while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button? It's like Tinder for YouTube channels, but with less ghosting and more AI content. All right, let's talk Kling AI. There's this nifty creativity/relevance slider. If you were to slide this over here to the left, Kling is going to get more creative. If you slide it to the right, it's going to just try to stick to your prompt and not allow much, if any, creativity. For mode, we have high performance, and we have an option here for high quality. However, if you hover over this right now, you'll see the high quality feature is launching soon. So, Kling is just teasing us with this one right now. High quality. Coming soon. Let's see about that. For length, we have 5 seconds and 10 seconds. However, if you hover over the 10 seconds, you'll see that this is actually not supported with high performance mode, which is the only option that we have right now. So, I imagine when we get high quality mode, we'll also get the ability to create 10-second length videos. For frame ratio, we can choose 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, or 1:1 square. For camera movement, we can specify horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, tilt, roll. There's even some additional options which are not yet available, additional ways in which Kling teases us with what's coming. For this example, I just chose pan with a setting of 0.5, and I did not specify anything in the negative prompt area. You would use this if you're trying to create something and it's adding something that you do not want in the image or the video. This allows you to specify that you don't want that, and it will attempt to leave that out of your creation. This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of content creation. Text to image, check. Text to video, you bet. Image to video, got that too. You can create 720p videos in landscape or portrait mode, or 960 by 960 pixels square format. For functionality, I'm giving Kling AI 5 stars. It's like the James Bond of AI tools, smooth, sophisticated, and always gets the job done. But what about the output, you ask? Well, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. I already prepared a couple of examples for you. I have this example in which I wrote, a fashionable woman struts down a busy city street, her stylish outfit turning heads as she goes. The urban backdrop is filled with towering buildings and bustling pedestrians. She confidently poses for a photographer, her expressions varying from fierce to playful. The video showcases the energy and vibrancy of the city, as well as her undeniable charisma and style. Now I'll show you what I ended up with. Let's see if it gave us everything that we asked for in the prompt. I think it's pretty good. The first thing that I'd like to point out is, and let me zoom in so you can see this, but her mouth looks like it starts to close, and then the next frame it's open. There's a little something strange there. I think her hair looks really great. I think her walk looks great. This hand, it looks like there might be a little bit of morphing going on with this hand. The movement right there, and then also when the fingers come out of the pocket, it almost looks like the last two fingers coming out slide through the edge of the pocket. I think the buildings look pretty good. There is some morphing with the characters in the back. I noticed the guy in the white shirt as he steps back, doing a little kind of morph moonwalk. Let's look at another example that I've already prepared for you. For this one, the prompt I used, a beautiful woman enjoys a cozy winter day inside a charming cabin. She sits by the fireplace wrapped in a soft blanket, sipping a cup of hot cocoa. Snow falls gently outside the window, creating a peaceful and intimate atmosphere. The camera captures her serene expressions as she reads a book and occasionally glances up to watch the snowfall, exuding warmth and tranquility. I left the creativity relevance in the middle at 0.5. And of course, we have the high performance. We have 5 seconds. Frame ratio 9:16 I chose for this one, the portrait mode. And for camera movement, I chose a gradual roll of 0.5 and no negative prompt. And let's go ahead and make this larger and let's see the results. My first impression on this one was everything turned out great. I feel it's intimate, it's cozy. The hot cocoa has some steam coming off of it, which is nice. The fireplace looks nice. Do you see anything interesting, kind of unusual about this? Here's what I caught. Not the first time, but after I watched it a couple of times. Originally, I thought that these little particles were ashes coming off of the fireplace. However, if that was the case, I think they would be moving more in an upward direction. Instead, what I think Kling gave us is this woman trying to get all cozy, but the window is open in the cabin. I think Kling is trying to depict snow coming in to the cabin through this window. And what gives me even more reason to think that is we actually have snow on top of the fireplace. That's why we love AI. All these crazy unexpected things popping up like this. 4 stars for output because perfection is overrated. Now let's talk money, honey. The only option right now is the free plan, which gives you 66 credits a day. Each video generation costs 10 credits. So, unless you're planning to create a feature-length film daily, you're golden. 5 stars for cost because free is my favorite 4-letter F word. Using Kling AI is smoother than my pickup lines at a tech convention. The interface is so user-friendly, it practically swipes right for you. 5 stars for usability because even your technophobic grandma could figure this one out. Speed-wise, it's not exactly the Flash, but it's no slowpoke either. Each creation took about 5 minutes, which is just enough time to friend an AI bot and maybe get on that do not purge list. 4 stars for speed because patience is a virtue, but instant gratification is more fun. Add it all up, and Kling AI scores a whopping 4.6 stars. It's like the valedictorian of AI tools, but with a rebellious streak. Now, if you thought Kling AI was mind-blowing, wait until you see my last video on Luma Dream Machine. It's like Kling AI's cooler, slightly unhinged cousin. Check it out and prepare to have your mind blown all over again. Remember, friends, in the world of AI, we're all just trying to teach machines to be as awesome as us. Until next time, keep it real, keep it digital, and for the love of all things binary, hit that subscribe button.